Now let me walk you through the installation and deployment document. Hereby we provide all the links of the jar and the applications required to run our project. Most of the jars are included in the WAR file that we will be providing, but just in case if there is any discrepancy, you can download it from the respective links. Let me start with installation of Tomcat server. You can download the Apache Tomcat server extractable zip file into the Eclipse folder and extract it here, and then go to Eclipse, and in the servers window just right click and you can create a new server. We are using version 6, Apache Tomcat version 6. I already have it installed, so I will not install it again. The second part is the struts, and the third part is the Hibernate, but as we have mentioned, it is not required in the project as we will be providing the WAR files, but just in case if there is any need, you can do it in the following ways as shown in the document. We will directly go to steps to install MongoDB. We can simply make a folder anywhere on the computer. MongoDB, it will be looking like this. It will be having all these exe files, and to start the service we just need to start this MongoDB as an administrator, and it will start listening at the default port, and then we'll be able to access it through our application. There are two ways to talk with MongoDB. One is the shell, which is in the folder shown previously, the same bin folder, the mongo.exe, which is a shell which you can work with, or you can install umongo for Windows in my case, and you can extract it and you can work with the umongo application. And you can open up, connect to a database. And this I will keep the defaults, and I already have a created IMS insurance management system already created on my machine, but there are steps shown in the document how you can go ahead with installing or importing the DB file which will be providing in the Dropbox. These are the steps which can be easily followed. You will be able to import or replicate the database that I have currently on my machine. Just there are some things that we personally have experienced while doing the project, that we will need all the jar files in the Tomcats library folder, which I showed you, which we can install or unpack in the Eclipse folder, over and above having all the jar files in the with the war files or with the project which you wish to deploy. So if any discrepancies are there, in a way we can add jars by going to the project and properties and Java build path. We can add all jars from the links which we have provided. And at last I'd like to walk you through the rules installation. So this is the link which we can give to Eclipse, we'll go to help install new software, and we will paste this link and it will automatically update us. We can give any name to this repository. I already have this. I will not be making a new and adding installing it, but the Word file says that you just name the new runtime and OK, and it will be added to Eclipse. Thank you.